If you want to delete your Bluehost account, the process is a little different from simply canceling a plan. So in this video, I'll walk you through the safest way to do it step by step. Before you start, make sure you understand that once your account is closed and your data is deleted, it may not be recoverable. So the first thing you need to do is back up everything important. Log into your Bluehost account and download your website files, databases, emails, and anything else you want to keep. If you have a WordPress site, make sure you export your content and save any media files you might need later. This is the most important first step because once the account is deleted, that information can be gone for good. If this tutorial is helping you, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. After your backup is complete, the next thing you need to do is turn off auto-renewals. Go to your Bluehost dashboard or renewal center and check for any services that might renew automatically. That can include your hosting plan, domain names, privacy protection, and any extra products you may have added. You do not want to get charged for something after you've already decided to close the account. Take your time here and review each product carefully. If you see auto-renew enabled, switch it off before moving on. Once your renewals are handled, the next step is to contact Bluehost support directly. The easiest way is usually through live chat on the Bluehost website, but depending on availability, you may also be able to reach them by phone. When you connect with a support agent, clearly explain that you want to close your account and delete your data permanently. Be ready to provide identifying details such as your account username, domain name, or the email address tied to the account. In some cases, they may also ask for security verification before they can proceed. This part is important because support may need to confirm that you are the actual account owner. So answer their questions carefully and provide any required verification, such as a password check, token, or other security confirmation. Once your identity is verified, tell the support agent exactly what you want: full account closure and permanent deletion of account data. If you only want to cancel a product, that is a different request, so be specific if your goal is to remove the entire Bluehost account. After you make the request, ask for a confirmation email or written proof that the account has been closed. This gives you a record in case you ever need to reference the cancellation later. It's also a good idea to check your email after the process to make sure there are no remaining notices, unpaid balances, or active services attached to the account. If you had a domain registered through Bluehost, double-check whether it has been transferred, expired, or needs to be managed separately, because deleting the hosting account does not always mean the domain is automatically gone too. And that's the safest way to delete a Bluehost account. First, back up your files, emails, and databases. Then turn off auto-renewals so you do not get billed again. After that, contact Bluehost support, verify your identity, and request permanent closure with confirmation. Following these steps helps you avoid losing important data or getting unexpected charges later on. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.